What's up guys, this is iDevice Lab 009 and in today's video I'm going to be installing iOS 6.1.6 on this iPod Touch 3rd generation. So in my previous two videos I installed iOS 6 and iOS 6.1.3 and now it's time for 6.1.6. So 9 Satan, also known as John, has ported iOS 6 on the iPod Touch 3 and here is the demo and the versions that it can run. And Luke ZGT, the author from Legacy iOS Kit, has ported it as well into it so you can run it more easily. So without much further ado, let's get straight into the video. So you want to click on code and download zip for Legacy iOS Kit. I already have it downloaded, so I am going to stop, but you will have a folder on your desktop, which is this one right here. You will want to open up a terminal window, type cd space and drag and drop the Legacy iOS Kit folder and click enter, and now /restore.sh and click enter and plug in your iPod Touch. As you can see, I am on 5.1.1. Let's relaunch Legacy iOS Kit. Let's go to restore downgrade and 6.1.6. Now we need to download the target IPSW. Now we can download the base IPSW, and now we can select the target IPSW. Now we can select the base IPSW and we can start the restore. Here it will ask you if you want your device to be jailbroken. I will say yes, but you can say no. And let's do #DFU. We need to send the device to recovery mode. And now let's enter DFU mode, so follow Legacy iOS Kit instructions. Perfect. Now it's restoring to 6.1.6. Perfect, the restore has finished and the device should boot into iOS 6.1.6. Perfect, let's go through the setup screen now. English, Romania. Let me connect to Wi-Fi. Enable location services, set up as new iPod Touch, skip Apple ID, skip, agree, automatically send, and start using iPod Touch. And there we go, we are on 6.1.6. As you can see, if I go to settings, general, about, 6.1.6. It cannot get better than this. Thank you so much for watching, comment, like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.